Hey everyone, Chris from Cuppa here. Just wanted to give you an update to our authorship marketplace and just some tweaks we made in terms of the design to hopefully make this stand out a little bit more. And if you want to give it a look, you can also see you have credits available to use. Anyone power and above, we sent out some free credits for you to test. So would love to hear the feedback. We are still adding authors into the mix currently. And let me just show you a little bit more of, it's called MVP 1.1 for the authorship marketplace. So real quick here, you'll see authorship. We brought this to the front. Again, this is kind of like our demo account. So you'll see total balance. I have a lot of credits. 75 credits from subscription, 12,563 from extra credits. So in this, if you have content currently out to be reviewed, you'll see everything here as your home base in terms of what is actually being reviewed and then what was completed, right? So simply click in here and then you'll see your credits here. Don't forget, we gave you guys some free credits, so use them. Send your articles to be worked on, and expertise is yours to display on the article itself. So let me just show you some of the two I most recently completed. First instructions, pretty basic. Just telling Alex, can you review the article on a factual basis, make sure medical content is accurate, up to date, and correct. Authority links to drop in here as well would be great. Any other edits, hallucination detector, please go ahead and update. So pretty basic, and that's what you should expect with the authorship marketplace. You should not expect full rewrites here. This is taking your draft based on your prompting, based on what domain you're building for, etc., and really just giving it that expertise in the loop kick to hopefully publish and rank high immediately and stay high immediately. So those are the instructions. Let me just show you what it looks like too. So you'll see this once you use it for the first time, but you can, I've already pulled the changes, but you can see the difference here, what was changed, scoped out, removed, updated, etc. So everything from a perspective of what was initial and what has changed is now updated. You can see the preview of what the final conclusion would look like, and then go back here, and then you can just pull changes. Again, I already did this, but it will say completed, finalized. That will update. It was already there because it was already done. But so that's done, right? So the article is done. You can have back and forth. There are some comments here sometimes from the author. You can respond directly to them, reply, and then go. So this is what it looks like final. And then you can see this within your editor too, right? So this is now all done. Let me go to that article. And I'm going to edit that. Okay, so we are here with the final version. Authors, let me just show you here too what this looks like. So you can see, again, same spot. This is what it all came out to be. My keyword was the rise of CBG gummies, and this was the finalized article. Again, so it just shows you like how this all comes together and works, right? So within your editor on new articles, you can simply, let me just show you another one, for example. I don't think anyone's done this one yet. Let me see here, edit article. In the editor, did I send this to anyone? Okay, I did. Okay, so under review, let's hit view here. Okay, so I gave Karen instructions on how to view this, how to review it. You'll definitely see, some links, direct links right there, but you'll see, let me just move my face so you can see the authority links coming through, which is great. So you'll see all of these come through, and then you'll see the comments here. So this is a really, really good example of something in progress for me that's being worked on by Karen, right? So click view thread. I can literally click into the comments here and see everything, right? So I can approve, thumbs up, check off, marked as resolved. reply directly to Karen here, and then it goes back, right? So this is some of the back and forth that you can expect with the authorship marketplace. Again, this is not, just making sure everyone fully understands, this is not send some type of brief and then the article rewrites the entire thing. That's not what this is, right? So this is purely, this is a great example of what this really is, where it is updates in terms of edits, in terms of the flow of the article, hallucination detectors, medical fact checking. These are medical articles, medical health, lately, whatever you want to call it, adding in authority links, things like that, right? The final optimization touches that I can then turn around and use the authorship from Karen here for this article. So you can see the appeal here. It really takes the AI first draft from your prompting, how you want to build it, pennies to build it via, Opus 4, 100% passing originality, kick it over to the author, and they do the final tweaks, touch-ups, you grab their authorship, and you publish. So hopefully you can start to see all of the benefits here. This one's a really good, I have to go through this one and chat with Karen, but it's all directly in the app, directly in your dashboard. You have credits, give it a spin, and would love your feedback. We are adding more and more authors daily that we vet. A lot of them are from an agency that I've worked with prior called Experts Inc. So a lot of health, finance, your money, your life type of authors that are going to be available. Food, travel, we're adding those as well. Services, we're starting to find more and more service-oriented authors that I think could be really, really interesting for local service plays. So any type of article can go through. Just give it the instructions based on kind of like what I just did. And then, a day or two turnaround, you'll have comments, or you'll have a completed article that you finalize, grab their authorship, publish it, good to go. So, yeah, but we'll continue to improve this, but wanted to give you the quick update here. Credits are now available here. You can just simply hop in and send content around and give it a test.